Hello, and welcome to a journey towards a more serene and joyful life. In this video, we'll explore 6 golden rules of decluttering that can truly transform your home and your mindset. By embracing the art of tidying, we can create a home that sparks joy and allows us to breathe more freely. Beginning your decluttering journey can feel like a daunting task. But remember, even the most daunting mountains are climbed one step at a time. Choose a small area to begin with, a drawer, a shelf, or a corner of a room. As you successfully declutter and organize this area, you'll build confidence and momentum for the larger tasks ahead. Choose a space that, when tidied, will bring you a sense of accomplishment and joy. Starting small allows you to truly connect with the process of decluttering. It's about being mindful, deliberate, and appreciating the impact even small changes can make. As you experience the joy of a clutter-free drawer or a neatly organized shelf, you'll be inspired to continue your tidying journey. Remember, decluttering is not about rushing towards the finish line. One of the most common mistakes people make when decluttering is tidying by room or location. Instead, I encourage you to tidy by category. Start with a category like clothing, then books, papers, miscellaneous items, what I call kimono, and finally, sentimental items. By gathering all items within a category together, you gain a clearer picture of what you own. It allows you to see duplicates, identify items you may have forgotten about, and make more informed decisions about what to keep and what to let go of. This exercise helps you confront your belongings and make conscious decisions about what truly deserves a place in your life. Tidying by category empowers you to approach your belongings with a fresh perspective. Now that you've gathered your belongings by category, it's time to decide what to keep. Hold each item in your hands and ask yourself, does this spark joy? If it does, keep it. If it doesn't, thank the item for its service and let it go. This simple question, does it spark joy, is the heart of the KonMari method. It encourages you to connect with your belongings on an emotional level. When you surround yourself with items that bring you joy, you create a positive and uplifting environment. Trust your intuition and allow yourself to let go of items that no longer serve you. Once you've decided what to keep, it's important to designate a specific place for everything. Every item in your home should have a designated home, a place where it belongs and where it returns after each use. Having a designated place for everything eliminates the guesswork of tidying. It brings a sense of order and calm to your home. Imagine opening your drawers and seeing everything neatly organized, each item in its designated spot. This visual harmony not only makes it easier to find what you need, but also brings a sense of peace to your mind. When you consistently return items to their designated homes after each use, you maintain a sense of order and prevent clutter from creeping back in. One of the best ways to maintain a clutter-free home is to adopt the one in, one out rule. This simple rule means that for every new item you bring into your home, you commit to removing one item that you no longer use or love. This rule helps to prevent the accumulation of clutter and encourages mindful consumption. Before you bring a new item into your home, ask yourself if it sparks enough joy to warrant letting go of something else. This practice encourages you to be more intentional about your purchases and to value quality over quantity. The one in, one out rule isn't about deprivation. It's about making conscious choices. It's about curating a collection of belongings that truly bring you joy and reflect your values. Decluttering is not a one-time event. It's an ongoing process. Once you've decluttered your home, it's important to establish habits that will help you maintain your serene space. Set aside a few minutes each day to tidy up. This could involve putting away clothes, clearing off surfaces, or simply taking a few moments to appreciate the calmness of your surroundings. Small acts of tidying, performed consistently, can make a significant difference in maintaining a clutter-free home. It's about creating a space that brings you joy, peace, and a sense of control over your environment. As you integrate these habits into your daily routine, you'll find that maintaining a tidy home becomes effortless. And there you have it. 6 golden rules to guide you on your decluttering journey. Remember, tidying is not just about having a clean house. It's about creating a life filled with joy, intention, and a deep appreciation for the things that truly matter. If you found these tips helpful, Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Serene Shelter for more inspiration on creating a joyful and clutter-free life. Until next time, may your journey be filled with joy and serenity.